The second step in creating our database is to create the DAO. DAO stands for Data Access Object, and it's a critical component of the Room database library in Android. A DAO is an interface that defines a set of methods for performing database operations on entities, database tables. A DAO is an interface annotated with a DAO annotation. So let's go to Android Studio and build this DAO. I'll create a new Java class, select interface, and I'll name it as contact DAO. And I'll annotate it with DAO. A DAO is an interface annotated with a DAO annotation. It specifies a contract for interacting with a database, including methods for inserting, updating, deleting, or querying data. I'll start by creating the first method, void insert, and I need to insert a contact object of type contact. So I need to pass contacts and I name it as contact. This method is responsible for inserting data into a database table. And I'll annotate it with insert annotation. And this annotation marks a method as an insert operation. I can create other annotations, update, delete, and query. I'll create another method called delete, and I need to delete a specific contact. So for that, I need to specify the contact object, and I'll mark it as delete with the delete annotation to mark a method as a delete operation. You can define custom SQL queries within the DAO methods using the @query annotation. So @query annotation, and here you need to specify the SQL query. This allows you to execute complex database operations while still benefiting from Room's type safety. And the query annotation allows you to define custom SQL queries and map the results to Java or Kotlin objects. So for that, I need to create a method called getAllContacts. And this method returning type should be a list of contact objects. So list of contact object that we have created before. Alt plus enter to import the class of the list from java.util. And here I need to specify the SQL query in this annotation. I need to use select, which is an SQL query, all from, and I need to specify the name of the table. If I go to the contacts here, the table name is contacts table. I'll copy it because it's a case sensitive and paste it here. So select all, get all contacts from the contacts table. This is how we create custom queries, how to delete and insert new contacts into our database using the contact DAO. By using DAOs in Room, you can interact with your database in a structured and efficient manner while also benefiting from Room's features like type safety, thread safety, and automatic query generation.